Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accept Bitcoin requests on Cash App. First, ensure your Cash App account is fully set up and verified, which often involves providing your full name, date of birth, and sometimes a photo ID. Once verified, open the app and tap on the Money or Investing tab at the bottom of your home screen. Then, select the Bitcoin tile to access all the cryptocurrency features. Next, you'll need to find your unique Bitcoin wallet address. From the Bitcoin section, tap on Deposit Bitcoin. Cash App will then generate a unique address for you. Remember, this address typically changes after each successful deposit for enhanced security, so always use the most recent one. You can either copy the alphanumeric address or use the QR code provided. Once you have your Bitcoin address or QR code, share it with the person sending you Bitcoin. It is crucial to confirm that they are sending Bitcoin, BTC, and not any other cryptocurrency like Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum. Sending unsupported cryptocurrencies to your Bitcoin address will result in a permanent loss of funds. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. After the sender initiates the transfer, Bitcoin transactions usually take anywhere from 10 minutes to 1 hour to confirm on the blockchain. You will see the funds appear in your Cash App balance once the payment is fully confirmed. Also, be mindful of Cash App's transaction limits, which are typically $10,000 in any 7-day period for deposits. You can check your specific limits within the app's profile section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.